You know what? Everyday time is only teaching is one thing. That at this age earn how much you can earn. Cause after one age gap your beauty will vanish. Everything will get vanished. On that time what will be worthful for you is your money. How much you earn will decide your future. So please, I just only want to say you one thing. If you see that your father is not any kind of company's CEO, he is not so well mannered, you know that after one generation gap you have to earn, you have to put your all efforts toward everything. So please don't fall for any kind of trap, just do earn. Cause right now I'm sitting in Haryana, which is located nearly located to Delhi. Here what I see that labor labor class people, they are just suffering. It's the fact we never realize. We just stay at home and we just make our overthinking raw. So it should not be happen. It is what is teaching me. It is mandatory to learn all these facts, which is very 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 important. Sometimes I think that life is supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. But in contrast, I also think that what if I don't get a job? What if nothing will happen to me? My condition will get worsened, and all those years I did so much work hard. I will got nothing if I will quit, if I will lose my temper. So this age is like flexibility. So please do earn how much you can, cause your money will decide your future, not your personality. Cause either if you had a, if you in future if you had a worst personality, you will get paid a lot. Cause the person who don't love money, they only see hard, and it's the main fact of our life. So don't think that your personality will get worse and day by day. Just think ahead of it. Cause there is no shortage of people who is just surviving in Delhi. In what what am I supposed to say to you? I think that this message is enough for you to take action. It's responsibility. It's your responsibility to take care of your family. I also see a lot something that what is your concentration level. If you ever want to know that what is your concentration level, at first just sit in a class. After the class will end, just ask yourself what I had learned. If you are getting not any kind of answer, then understand that you are learning nothing. You are just wasting your time by sitting on the bench. You are just wasting your time. You are just wasting your parents' money. On the other hand, just go for a category of people where people are talking nonsense, talking about gossip, that on the neighborhood this has happened to me, this has happened to me. You will listen them so carefully that you cannot even realize. So it's the fact we not even realize that our attention only goes toward those direction where our mentality wants to let us go. So please don't be a subordinate on your mental. Make your mental health become subordinate on yourself. That the one thing which I want to tell you, which is very important, is self-control. Once you get the ability to control yourself, once you get the ability to express your thoughts, that day you will change everything. And for a person like me, I have always pointed out my eyes towards study books. It is barely that I see the world, that how does it look like. Because I do belongs to a labor class family. It's true, but the way people usually stare at me, the way they want to take advantage of me, it's so hard to resist. As you can see, this white patches, it is called vitiligo. Also, I'm suffering with vitiligo since when I was 8 years old, and now I am 18 years old. So there is no difference. But I am afraid of going outside, because at this time it will take approximately 2 to 3 years to get a job. And if I go to any kind of private corporation, private schools, they are generally in my area they are only charging 3,000 minimum for a person like me whose personality is zero. And in private sector, my parents will never let me go outside. It's also the fact because they never had believed on me. They never have believed on me. They just only think that when I got a government job, that from that time I will start earning. Okay, no, both are earning in Delhi, in Faridabad. It's the problem. We never point out ourselves. I always thought that I should be a mama's boy, mama's girl, papa's girl. So I used to act like that way. One day I saw when I was little that my mother was totally afraid when she saw me that I was putting cream on my face. So on that time I stopped my all desire, I all crave for makeup thing. I just stopped. And now I am realizing that not every time your parents is right, not every time your parents tension is right. It's sometimes let them go with their self. If they are taunting you, just face it, just listen it and just throw it, because it will change their future. At this age I have completed my 12th grade and I think that I could get a better opportunity if I were at my home. But now I can get nothing until I don't get a government job, because here is I can look forward for the opportunity, but I won't get that time, I won't get the money, because since I have always I never had a penny in my pocket. I always get subordinate on my parents. So it's the fact we never realize that it is what is happening. We think, we obtain, we aim a lot, but we do nothing. I wanted to achieve something big since childhood. It has always been my dream to achieve something big. But it's mandatory for you to learn. It's how the world works. You are sitting at home. You will realize nothing that what is happening outside until you don't go outside. You are sitting at home. You are acquiring a lots of knowledge from books, but you don't know how to implement it. Those all knowledge are wasteful. Instead of doing that, what you need to do is just go outside, know the world eye to eye. Just go for traveling, see the world, that how does it work. Because your bookish knowledge will be workful, but for practically, you have to go outside. You need to go outside. You need to create an opportunity that will let your future on the growth. Otherwise, there is only one option. There will be only one option, that until you don't get a government job, you just have to suffer. It's my fact. It's my opinion towards life. Okay. Today I have turned to 18 years old, and I just only believe one thing, which is very important to learn, because we all come from a Gen Z generation, and a Gen Z generation should not be an obstacle. It should work like a flow, that it is going more look forward, and it is changing the opportunity, the way we look towards the world. As I have not mentioned that I have always been a government school student. I never went to any kind of specific kind of school, and I come from a village, which is located in Bihar. So that is not such my kind of stuff. I had a desire to study. I just only wanted from my parents that to give me books, because books are those things that which will let me give to see the what is happening in this world. I just acquired a lots of knowledge, but sometimes I think that I should read physiology, psychology, because there is not those kind of knowledge is working. There is only one thing working, which is called money, which is called you should have any kind of influence. If you have no more influence, then don't think that you will get something big. Okay, you can think until you turn up to 40 years old. Before that, there is no guarantee. I just only have seen how they stole others' opportunity. Because others don't have those kind of influence connection, but those people who have those kind of influence, connection, they just are growing towards every field. So it has become the mentality. Sometimes I become like fed up that what kind of society I am living. That where a girl always have to taught that you cannot go outside. It's okay that I was not letting go outside, but it sometimes hurt me that at this age where every person, every mostly individuals start earning, as I feel something sad because I have a lot of abilities, but I don't know. I don't have the platform. I don't know that how to create. Cause every people, every place, every incident, just only taught me that you should know that how to talk, how to effortlessly talk, how to manipulate people, which I never even learned. So this is the reality and this is the fact of life. That which nobody will tell you until you don't start looking forward to the world. And one of the harsh realities that parents don't even tell you that it is what is happening wrong. They will only say you that study, study, study. Mostly typical Indians parents, not everybody. So please open your eyes and start that what you can do. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.